You need to watch this if you want to notarize documents online. Let's get started. First, check your state's requirements. Not all states allow online notarization, so make sure you're eligible. Next, complete any necessary training. Some states require a specific course, while others just want you to be familiar with the rules. Then, you'll need to apply for your online notary commission. This usually involves filling out a form and paying a fee. After that, you'll choose a technology provider. This is the platform you'll use to verify identities and notarize documents. Finally, set up your digital tools. You'll need a webcam, microphone, and secure internet connection. And don't forget your electronic seal and signature. There you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a remote online notary. Happy notarizing! Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts at Notary Niche.